Hello, in front of me I have OnePlus watch and I'm gonna show you how to set up a screen lock protection on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and we can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called password and tap on it, and here we can set up the password or screen lock protection. So let's tap on the set password option, tap on continue, and now we can enter the PIN we want to use to unlock our device. I'm gonna enter 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's gonna tell me that this PIN is quite easy to guess. I'm just gonna tap on use anyway and verify it by tapping on the numbers, so entering the 1, 2, 3, 4 again. And after a second or two, it should say complete, and now we have the password protection on our watch. So if you turn off the screen on your watch, try to wake it up, you should see this lock icon at the top of the screen. This means that the screen is locked, so you can't use your watch unless you enter the PIN. And you can enter the PIN to unlock it like this. And if you want to disable the screen lock protection, simply open the settings again, select the password option like this, tap on remove password and enter the current password you're using to confirm and remove the protection like this. And now when we lock the screen and wake it up, you won't have the screen lock. Okay, and that's how you set up the screen lock protection or the password protection on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.